Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have amazing dreamy challenge for you. Would you rather design your fantasy dream suitcase with epic fun choices? But before we dive in, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's get started. We are kicking things off with a suitcase that gives strong Wednesday vibes. Next choice. Which headphones will you take? Now let's move on. Which laptop is joining you on the adventure? Who is flying with you? A puppy, a kitty, or a bunny? Pick one. Time to pick your ultimate bedroom. Do you want room 1, room 2, or take a room 3? Next question. What are your adventure shoes today? And what about your slippers? Which one looks comfiest to you? Do not forget your cozy gear. What pajamas are you bringing for tonight? Now, would you rather dive into Minion Water Slide, Roomies Water Slide, or go with the Sonic Splash? Bonus level unlocked. Stitch fans. Can you land Stick on surfboard so he enjoys surfing? How many clicks did it take? Comment down below. Next up. If you had to pick the ultimate swimsuit, which one wins? You cannot travel without a passport. So, which passport cover are you bringing along? What about your phone case? Pick one that matches with your vibe best. Time to pack another suitcase. Which one you take? Now pick your sunglasses. Which one matches with your outfit best? Dress to impress. Which outfit is your ultimate trip look? Next choice. Which train will carry you into summer magic? Let's pick a destination. Will it be Santorini, Switzerland, or Egypt? Now, which inflatable float is yours for the summer? After that, pick a neck pillow for those long trips. Which one feels just right? Quick task. Like this video, comment your dream destination, and hit the subscribe button for more amazing quizzes. Time for the next round. Which top is ready for adventure? Which beanbag sofa would you love to relax on? Choose your chill lounge space. Where will you relax? Pick your sleep mask for take a relaxing nap. Which one you pick? Next up, what kind of backpack are you bringing along? Now it's toilet time. Do you choose left, middle, or right? Make your choice. Don't forget your phone charger. Which one matches with your phone cover? Time to roll out. Which car are you driving? Big question. Which party screams best summer ever? Left, middle, or right? The food looks delicious. Which plate is your pick? Test your memory. Look at the all characters. Now tell me, where did you spot Hello Kitty? Yes, Hello Kitty was right there in the third spot. Let's move on. Which villa is your favorite? Let's pick your bathtub. Which one you want in your bathroom? And what about your living room? Which one gives you cozy vibes? Next decision. Which staircase looks best to you? Movie lovers, it's your turn. Which TV you want to enjoy jumbo quiz videos? Pick your socks for the next big adventure. 1, 2, or the third option. Choose your favorite beach. Which one calls your name? Let's make some luxurious choices. Which yacht you want for ride? Now imagine this. Only one game forever. What is your ride or die choice? How do you want your pillow styled? Let's pick your ultimate gazebo style. Which one you want in your backyard? Time for a big choice. Which PS5 design is yours? Feeling hungry? Let's cook something, but first pick your outdoor kitchen. Now let's talk about drinks. Pick your favorite Starbucks refresh. Back to travel plans. Which villa pool would you choose? Now pick your window view. Which view you wake up with? Quick challenge. Comment your favorite city, your favorite season, or your favorite food. Next up, which rug would you place in your room? Time to make another choice. Which floor design matches your style best? Now pick a side. Left, middle, or right. Which swing chair you want? Which slime do you want to play with? Let's pick it. Let's pick your surfboard. Which one you pick for enjoy surfing? Time to pick your sink design. Which one you love to have? All right. Next round. Choose your home cinema setup. Now let's pick your tent. What would you choose this time? Pick your dining table. Which one you want in your home? Final choice? Which night lamp will light up your space? First, second, or third option? That was amazing suitcase design adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.